Hey guys, I am back with another custom ROM for our Redmi Note 8. I hope you all are doing good, and in this video I am going to show you a full review of the Superior OS Phoenix latest build for our Redmi Note 8. Its Android version is 10, security patch is latest 5 September 2020. As you can see here, Superior OS version is Superior OS Phoenix official build for our Redmi Note 8. And in this video I will show you full review, plus I will also show you how you can download and install it on your Redmi Note 8. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this ROM is pretty stable. There is no any single bug or issue in this ROM. Every single thing is working. Performance wise, battery backup wise, this ROM is just amazing, and I am using it from last 4 days and I have not seen any bug or issue in this ROM. The gaming performance is also pretty smooth, and the overall performance of this ROM is also good. As you can see here, it is opening the apps quickly and animations are also played very well. And in the camera we have this Mi camera pre-installed. This one is a bit outdated, but it is working perfectly. And the gaming performance is also good. I have installed PUBG Mobile and Asphalt 8, and they both are working pretty good. In the home launcher we have this launcher with all customizations and features. And now let's dig into the settings. First of all, let me show you the battery backup. The battery performance of this ROM is just amazing. It's been 4 days I am using this ROM and I have not seen the battery damage or any kind of issue with the battery percentage or battery backup. The battery backup is just amazing. And in the Superior goodies we have all customization. First of all, we have the status bar customizations. From here you can manage the status bar icons, network indicators, and you can also enable Superior OS logo and you can change its styles. Then you can change the battery style. You can also play with the battery percentage. Then we have the battery bar. After it we have the some KOS settings. Then we have the quick settings, and here we have the settings of KOS. You can manage it according to your taste. At the end of the settings you can enable the header image collections. You can pick any collection from right here, like scary and anime, space, or any images you want. My favorite is the space one, and tell me about your favorite in the comment section, and it looks and works pretty amazing. Then we have the button settings. From here you can manage the volume rocker button settings. Then we have the navigation bar. From here you can enable or disable the navigation bar. You can get the nav bar tuner. You can also enable or disable the pixel animations. Then we have gestures. First of all, we have the OSIP gesture, jump to camera, system navigation, and from here you can also go to the advanced setting, and you can also hide the navigation bar pill to get the massive full screen display. Then we have prevent rigging, adaptive playback, and double tap gesture for status bar and lock screen, which is also working fine, as you can see here. Then we have lock screen settings. From here you can manage lock screen shortcuts and more. Then you can play with the notification settings. Here we also have the in-call vibrations, and in the MISC we have some advanced settings. And from the power menu you can enable options like advanced power menu for the power button. Then we have battery. As I said early in the video, that the battery performance is just amazing of this ROM, and here we have battery saver and smart charging. Then we have the display. In the display we have all the settings from the previous ROMs. So you can change the theme style like black, white. You can pick the accent color. You can change the font styles, and you can change the icon shape. Then we have the sound. The sound quality of this ROM is also amazing because we have the Mi sound enhancer in the Xiaomi parts, and we also have the display color calibration, so you can use it if you want to change the colors of your display. And you can also set it on boot. Then after it we have the clear speaker. If your speaker is not working good and if you want to check it or test it, then you can use this feature. In this security, the fingerprint is working pretty much fine, but we don't have face unlock feature in this ROM. So after it we have the digital well-being, accessibility and system. In the system we have languages and input, date and time, backup, reset option, updates. The about phone, you can check the beautiful logo of Superior OS. Its Android version is 10, security patch is 5 September 2020. So the ROM is pretty stable and recommended for daily usage. There is no any single bug or issue in this ROM. Everything is working fine. So if you want to install this ROM on your Redmi Note 8, just download the ROM and GApps from the link in the description. After downloading the ROM and GApps, reboot your device into any installed custom recovery. You can use any recovery, TW or Pitch Black or Infox, any recovery. After going into the recovery, go to wipe. Advanced wipe, and from here wipe everything except the internal storage and SD card. Do not select internal storage and SD card. Wipe from here. After wiping, go to install and locate your downloaded ROM. Mine is in the downloads. Just select the ROM and flash it from the bottom. After flashing it, again go to install and now locate your downloaded GApps. After flashing the ROM and GApps, go to reboot and click on reboot system. The ROM will be installed on your Android phone. So hope you guys like this video. If you really did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Peace. If you have any question, then go to the comment section. I will try my best to help you out.